Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all is okay. Today I'll review a new project. The name is Purrnft. All the thing of Purrnft is good. Today we'll discuss about Purrnft on details. Though they are website. Okay, don't skip the video, stay full video. So let's discuss the main topics about this project. First, I saw their website, so everything is fine on this project. I hope this project has a bright future. So one of the best project at this moment in time for NFT, the first audit content digitalized platform in one age where edit content is abundant and most of it is free. NFT can provide a significant advances to the industry merely by creating such content as available at Purrnft. We think this is a great development versus Purrrx white paper there by Sunny Mallory. NFTs on press now. Click the right button, you can see here buy link and buy this coin and visit their website white paper. Maybe you can understand about this project, their social media link, Telegram, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram. Visit their social media link. What is Purrnft white paper tokens roadmap content, every details here. Please visit their this website. We can understand about this project. What is Purrnft? The relationship between blockchain and Purrnft is a non-fungible token NFT marketplace that is satisfying the audit content industry with the technology. The evolution based transparent platform is restoring ethics to an industry that has long been made of the confirmation and contributes join the pair you can undergo blockchain and fraud. So okay. Okay guys, content creation. Enter the world of the fair play with the Purrnft. Use the content creator for Purrnft, the RL system, Sunny Mallory, so white paper. So everything is spent on this project. Token sale. Press around on it is today hours, 2 hours, minute, second. Around on start November. Around on in January, public token price 0.001, acceptable card price bust BNB, minimum transaction amount, number of the token share, purchase price. So roadmap there. December 2021 press on live on it's okay. January 2022 marketplace launching. On March 2022 I saw DEX listing, April 2022 6 listing. So everything is fine on this project. PURRX coin. PURRX token is the bullet binance smart chain that enables low cost defi transaction. Check out PURRX token below. PURRX, the identity of that token, name, symbol, market capitalize, blockchain. So 5% prices, 35% public, 5% reserve, on point, 15% marketing, 10% team and advice, phase. So coin is investing.com and medium. So for NFT, okay. So I hope this project has one of the best project at this time. Please do not miss Okay guys, no more today. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.